Chicken schnitzel is quickly becoming one of my favorite budget-friendly meals. It uses so few ingredients and comes together very quickly and pairs well with a lot of different sides. This time I'm cutting my chicken breast in half, and the other one I'm just smushing with my hand to make an even thickness throughout the breast. And this just helps with the cooking process, so that way some of it isn't overcooked while other parts of it are undercooked. Then I season both sides with salt, and in a separate bowl I break a couple of eggs. You really only need 2 eggs. This one I used 3. It was too many. 2 is fine. You're just going to whisk that together. Then in another bowl I use panko breadcrumbs, a couple tablespoons of dried parsley, some pepper to taste, and some minced garlic cloves. Mix that all up, and then on some shallow plates I'm going to put a little bit of flour just to cover the entire bottom of the plate. The next plate I'll pour those eggs, and then the last plate, of course, I'm going to pour all that breadcrumb mixture on there. And I just like to even it out so that way it's one layer and covers the entire bottom of the plate. Next, I'll start by dredging the chicken in the flour on both sides, and I shake off the excess. Now I just like to use a fork. I just kind of poke it and lift it. It just keeps my hands clean, and I don't have to worry about everything kind of getting put together. It's nice and easy and just makes really quick, easy cleanup too. Then I put that in the egg mixture on both sides, shake it just a little bit, then finally lay it in the breadcrumb mixture, making sure it's completely coated. And sometimes I pour a little bit over the top with the fork and sort of push it down just to make sure it's all completely covered. Then I'll lift that again and put it on a separate plate and do the other chicken breast as well. You can use tongs for this, or you can use your hands if that's what you like, but I just find a fork just makes it super fast and super easy. And again, super fast cleanup, and I don't have to wash my hands a million times in between all of the dippings. Now I'm going to heat some oil. I'm using avocado oil here in a very large pan. You can use any oil that you have on hand, but I would recommend something with a high smoking point. And then just brown it on both sides, cook it all the way through, make sure it's 165 degrees, and that's it. You can pair it with anything you like. I had some spatula on hand. You can do veggies or some spaghetti. It's absolutely delicious. If you like this video, give me a little thumbs up. Have a wonderful day.